Dear students of class 9 and 10, good day. How are you? I think you are fine. You are studying at home. You have got preparation the previous lesson. Today I am going to take online class English first paper Unit 1, Lesson 4, Responsibilities. At first, I would like to read the topic. You will sincerely and mindfully enjoy the class. How can I read? A responsibility is a duty or an obligation to do something. For example, you have the responsibility to take care of your parents in their old age, to attend school and pursue your studies properly, and so on. You have also responsibility to society and the government to help a neighbor in trouble or to cast your vote if you are 18 or over. A responsibility is also an obligation or a duty not to do something. For example, you have the responsibility not to steal a book from a public library, or not to put your building materials on the footpath. These are your responsibilities as citizens. But there are responsibilities of the government as well. Our government has the responsibilities to provide for its citizen the basic necessities of life, including food, clothing, shelter, education and medical care. The government also has the responsibilities to protect the fundamental rights of its citizen to freedom of speech and expression, freedom of the press, freedom of the religion, equality of the below law, etc. The knowledge, skills and attitudes you have gained at home, at school and in society will help you to accept your responsibilities and to carry them out effectively. Remember, discharging your responsibilities will be good for you, good for your family and friend, and good for your society and country as a whole. Now I have finished reading the text. Now we are going to learn some vocabs. You note down on your khata. Responsibilities. Responsibility. What is the meaning of responsibility? Daitya. And what is the synonym of this word? Duty. Next one, pursue. What is the meaning of pursue? Bengali meaning চালিয়ে যাওয়া. And what is the synonym of this word? Conduct. Next one, basic. What is the Bengali meaning of this word? Maulik. Maulik. And what is the synonym of this word? Fundamental. You note down on your khata. Next one, shelter. Shelter. What is the Bengali meaning of this word? Ashray. And what is the synonym of this word? Can you get? Home. Next one, protect. What is the synonym of the word of protect? Raksha kora. And synonym, preserve. I have written here some vocabs. You note down on your khata. Responsibility, daitto, duty, pursue, chaliye jawa, conduct, basic, maulik, fundamental, shelter, ashray, home, protect, raksha kora, preserve. Note down on your khata, please. Okay, now I am cleaning the board for next question. Now we are going to learn, choose the best answer about the topic. Freedom of the press is one of the rights of citizen alternative question. Unnecessary, logical, basic, useless. Our question is freedom of the press is one of the rights of citizens. Here I have written here 4 alternative question. Unnecessary, illogical, basic, useless. Which is the correct answer, you think? Answer, basic. Basic is the right answer. You note down on your khata. And next one, responsibility is synonymous Our question is, a responsibility is synonymous to, we have four alternative questions, right? A celebration, an enjoyment, a duty. Can you get which is the correct answer you think? Answer, which is the correct answer? A duty. A duty is the correct answer. You note down on your khata. You note down on your khata, please. Question number 3. Which of the following is not our fundamental right? Our alternative question, freedom, freedom of religion, to freedom of the press, three, freedom of complete freedom of speech and expression. Here our question, which of the following is not our fundamental right? Our four alternative questions here you will find. Freedom of religion, 2. Freedom of the press, 3. Freedom of complete, number 4. Freedom of speech and expression. You get which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? You think freedom of complete. Freedom of complete is the correct answer of this question. Number 4. In old age, parents should be look after, look down, overlooked, looked about. Our question is, in old age parents should be. That is, what is our duty for our parents? Our four alternative questions: looked after, looked down, overlooked, looked about. Which is the correct answer? Can you guess? Looked after. Looked after is the correct answer. You note down on your khata, please. You note down on your khata. Our next one, number 5. The word discharge means 1. Disobey, carry out, neglect, avoid. The word discharge means. Which is the correct answer? Can you get? Disobey, carry out, neglect, avoid. Our appropriate answer is carry out. Carry out. This is the correct answer. We have written here, choose the best answer for questions. I think you have enjoyed the class nicely. You practice at your home these questions and you take home tasks. Write summary on the topic. 5 or 6 sentences you will make. What is the gist? What is the summary about the topic? It is your home task. Stay to your home and get good preparation. Thank you very much.